Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to talk about what are the different flavors of Kubernetes available in the market and which Kubernetes version is helpful for your requirements and how that is behaving for your requirement and which is very useful for yourself. Let's dive into it. So when we think about Kubernetes, it has been expanded to on-prem and cloud at the same time. So if you want to use on-prem, Rancher is a workbench, and that will be a very good lightweighted multi-cluster management, which will make easy for doing the Kubernetes deployment. And in on-prem, we can use our base core Kubernetes, like by installing the all individual pieces in your cluster and made a master node and cluster worker nodes depends upon your requirement. That is also possible. And the second one is the Red Hat OpenShift, that is one on-prem, and we have platform 9, that is a recently launched SaaS managed Kubernetes on-prem environment. Okay, we can manage it in on-prem and at the same time cloud also. So when it comes into the cloud Kubernetes, as you know, we have three major cloud providers. We have AWS, Amazon Web Services, and Azure. Third one is Google. So each one provides Kubernetes as a service. So you know about the names like Elastic Kubernetes Service, Azure Kubernetes Service, and Google Cloud Engine. So three things will be by using a Terraform as an infrastructure as a code, you can build this EKS, AKS, or GKE in your environment. Depends upon our requirement, like our workloads. So you can make use of that. So what is your choice for this one? So if you want to understand more about these concepts, please comment it. I'd like to record a video for that one. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.